Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Mixolydian mode. This unique scale is the fifth mode of the major scale, meaning it starts on the fifth note. Its defining characteristic is a flattened seventh degree, which gives it a distinct dominant quality. You'll find this mode widely used in blues, jazz, and rock music, adding a soulful and slightly unresolved feel to melodies and improvisations. Building the Mixolydian mode is straightforward. One common method is to take a major scale and start on its fifth degree. For instance, to play G Mixolydian, you would use all the notes of the C major scale, but begin and end on G. Another way is to take any major scale and simply lower its seventh scale degree by 1/2 step, creating that signature dominant sound. The Mixolydian mode truly shines when applied in musical contexts. It is the go-to scale for improvising over dominant seventh chords, like a G7 chord. The flattened seventh note provides a strong harmonic pull, creating tension that resolves beautifully. This mode is excellent for adding a bluesy, funky, or even a slightly modal jazz feel to your solos and compositions, making your music more expressive. To effectively use the Mixolydian mode, try these practical tips. First, practice playing the scale over a dominant seventh chord vamp, such as a G7 chord, to internalize its sound. Focus on emphasizing the key notes, the root, third, fifth, and especially the flattened seventh. Experiment with different melodic patterns and phrases that highlight its unique dominant character, and you will quickly master its application.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.